Garrett, thank you so much for being here this morning. We didn't see a huge stock reaction to the results this time around, and the call a bit more muted, I guess, without Elon Musk. What was your initial take on the results?
Sure. Thanks for having me. Well, these were solid results all around. In fact, it was the eighth quarter in the last nine in which their earnings have beat consensus. So Tesla's execution has really been outstanding over the last couple of years. Now, the problem with that is that this has really become the expectation with Tesla. And in our opinion, the stock is really priced to perfection at these levels. So despite a significant beat, the stock traded down slightly after hours post-release. And I think there's also elevated worries regarding the near term in 2022 regarding some of these supply chain issues and chip shortages, which could impact their operational results in the coming quarters.
And I see here that you have a hold on the stock, but you're actually raising your price target from 750 to 875, and we're not that far away from 875 right now. So do you believe the stock will sort of remain range bound once we hit that point?
We do. I mean, this stock in 2020, Tesla was up more than 700%. And at these levels, trading roughly at 100 times our 2023 estimate, we think is fair value. We also have concerns about increasing competition in the electric vehicle space from the likes of Lucid, Rivian, and others. The traditional automakers are increasing their electric vehicle investments significantly. So we have concerns about increased competition and also the semiconductor issue. We think is going to become more of an issue in 2022 as they ramp their production even more when the Texas and Germany factories come online by year end.
Yeah, certainly a lot of unknowns there about what will go on with sort of those inputs into these Tesla vehicles. What about the NHTSA investigation into the autopilot system after reports of some crashes? Is that at all a drag on the stock for you?
It is a concern. I would put that lower on the list of concerns, though. Tesla has had many probes over the years, and we really worry more about increased competition in the chip issue than that. So, but they continue to defy expectations. As I mentioned, 8 out of the last 9 quarters that beat consensus. The gross margin for the quarter, automotive gross margin, was over 30%, which was a record high. And they're really firing on all cylinders. However, they can only control what they can control, and we think that chip issue could really catch up to them. And their commentary, both in the release and on the conference call, was much more cautious than it has been over the last couple quarters.